Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by defining a clear Excel niche you will sell to clients. Choose a specialty like dashboards, macros for automation, or bulk data cleaning. Decide measurable outcomes you can promise within a time frame. Set a starter rate such as 5 per hour and a project minimum of 50 to qualify leads. Create 3 standard service packages that cover common client needs and typical delivery times. State expected delivery in business days and list included revisions. Package clarity makes client assemble a compact portfolio that highlights practical Excel solutions you deliver. Produce 3 sample projects: a dashboard, a macro automation, and a data cleaning workflow. Show before and after files and explain the specific steps you used. Quantify impact with metrics such as time saved, error reduction, or rows processed per minute. Host the samples on a simple web page or send a clean PDF portfolio for direct client review. Keep descriptions concise and focus on value rather than technical detail. Target platforms where small businesses and analysts hire Excel help regularly. Use Upwork, LinkedIn Outreach, and niche forums to find leads and build credibility. Craft a short pitch that states one problem, one solution, and a fixed package price like 00. Offer a clear delivery timeline and 2 rounds of revisions in the proposal. Ask for a small upfront payment, such as 30% before starting work to secure commitment. Follow up twice politely, and use client testimonials to close more deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.